Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today we will learn how to set a password on an Excel sheet so that no one can open the password protected Excel sheet. So let's go. So I am going to open a password protected sheet and show you. So we are now creating a new Excel sheet and then we will set a password for it. Click on the file option on the left side, then click on the info option. Then go to the protect workbook option and click on encrypt with password. After that, set a password. Enter the same password again to confirm, then OK. Then go back and save the sheet. Our password protected sheet is now ready. Then see result. Okay, thank you.